Ouch! My knee hurts. Don't worry, Kushi. I'll call Mom and Dad.
Looks like a small scrape. Nothing serious. But we should clean it up and put a bandage on it.
It's important to stay calm when you get hurt. We'll take care of this quickly.
Dad, what's that box you brought?
This is a first aid kit, Kushi. It has everything we need to help treat minor injuries like yours.
First aid is the immediate help or treatment given to someone who has been injured or suddenly taken ill until they can get proper medical attention.
That's right. We can all get hurt sometimes, and a first aid kit helps us deal with those small injuries.
Can you tell me more about it, Dad?
Knowing about first aid can make a big difference in an emergency. It can help save lives or prevent injuries from getting worse.
Absolutely. It's essential for everyone, including kids, to have basic knowledge about first aid. We should know how we can help our friends in case they get hurt.
Mom, how can I use a first aid kit to help a friend who gets hurt?
Basic first aid includes things like cleaning and dressing a wound. If your friend has a small cut, you can press firmly on the area with a clean cloth or tissue to stop any bleeding.
It's also important to know when to call for help and how to stay calm in an emergency. If the wound is big and there's too much bleeding, you should get help from a teacher or the school nurse.
Wow! I want to learn more about using a first aid kit, Dad.
We use first aid kits in many situations, and on different kinds of injuries, we can use them for burns, in case of fractures or sprains, and even cuts.
How do we use a first aid kit for a burn, Mom?
Let's say your friend burns their finger or hand from a candle or a firecracker. The first thing to do is cool the burn by running cold water over it until the burning sensation stops. Then you can apply a soothing cream like Burnol.
Your friend falls and twists their ankle or wrist and sprains it. There might not be any bleeding, but it will be painful.
So, how do we give help to them?
The most important thing is not to move your friend around too much. Make him or her sit in one place or lie down and keep the injured part still.
For minor sprains and swelling, a gentle massage with a pain relief spray or ointment.
Okay, Mom and Dad, I think we understand first aid kits now. If someone needs help, I can use my knowledge.
That's great, Kushi. But what if someone is vomiting? Do you know what to do?
In case of vomiting, I don't know, Mom. Please tell me.
Okay, Kushi. The first thing to do is to try and figure out why they are throwing up. That their head is tilted slightly forward to prevent choking on their vomit. Try to stay calm and act carefully.
You can help them stay hydrated by giving them small sips of water. But if the vomiting is bad or doesn't stop, you should get help from a doctor right away.
Thanks, Mom and Dad, for teaching us about first aid and safety measures. Now we know how to stay safe and help others in need. Yes, I feel more confident knowing that we can take care of ourselves and others in case of an emergency.